So just a quick video on how to use your 120 litre Barrow system. Simply turn on the unit by using the controller. Turn your controller on by pressing the up arrow on the far left. Hold this down until the unit shows a 0. You can simply control the flow of your water by using the up and down arrows. If you increase the flow, you can hear the pump increasing the speed, and you can simply decrease the flow by pressing the down arrow here in the middle. The up arrow will take the controller right up to 99. This is the maximum flow. I would recommend, if you're just doing an ordinary clean, operate the system between 50 and 60, and then when you come to rinsing, operate it between 80 and 99. There are two modes on the controller. This is your mode button on the far right hand side, so if you simply press it once, it will say BAT, which stands for battery, and that's the voltage of the battery that's shown on the screen there. 12.7 is a good charge. If this drops down to 11, I would recommend recharging your battery. You've also got flow on the controller, and that is just simply the flow of your pump, which I've just showed you now. Those are just your two modes on the controller there. To simply turn the controller off, hold down the mode button on the far right hand side, and you'll see the control unit turns off.